Okay, friends. Yes, I want to teach you something called as friends length operator in an array. Okay, look, friends. When I talk about length operator in an array, what do I mean by that? See, we have a special operator in our Java known as length operator in an array. Let's say here, if I am defining one array of integer of array name as 12, 13, 14, 15, and let's say, friends, if I want to know how many numbers are existing inside this array, what I can do is, yeah, I can count also, right? One, two, three, four. But in Java, we are specially equipped. We are equipped with one special category, with one special, you know, operator known as length operator in an array, right? The syntax in order to declare a length operator is nothing but arr dot length. Okay, what we can do is simply put one for loop int I equal to 0 less than arr dot length I plus plus, right? Simple stuff. Okay, now he will print all the elements that are existing inside the array. Simple stuff, right? He will count whatever, how many numbers are present inside the array, right? So this is the meaning of length operator in an array, in an array. Okay, this works, length operator works for all. It works for what you call strings also, for what you call boolean, any data type, it is working absolutely true. Okay, so this is the concept of length operator. How to declare it? Just put one for loop, and yeah, for loop is mandatory, otherwise you have to write print lines again and again. So that is why for loop came because whenever you want to write, whenever we don't want to write print lines again and again, simply do one thing, put one for loop less than n. What we used to write earlier, less than n, right? Less than n means how many numbers are existing inside the array. Let's say if you don't want to write n, do one thing, just write arr dot length. So automatically inside the, when you are clicking on run, he will check how many numbers are existing inside the array and he will give you the result. Okay, the way I have shown you. All right, 12, 13, 14, 15, you will get answer like this. Okay, so this is the meaning of length operator in an array. Okay, very important concept this is, friends. Okay, less than n, right? Earlier what we used to write, less than n. For loop int I equal to 0. For from 0 indexing I am starting, semicolon close, less than n. Earlier we used to write, right? But now what we have decided is there is something called as length operator in an array, right? He will automatically write, he will automatically count how many numbers are existing in your array, and he will print the result in front of you. I think you got the meaning of length operator in an array. This is it, simple.